Hey guys, to automate, you can automate draw.io diagrams using ChatGPT by asking it to generate diagram code such as mermaid.js or XML, and then importing that code directly into draw.io, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go ahead and do do an example of that. So I'm gonna type generate a simple login flow activity using activity diagram using mermaid.js, right? And now, after I asking ChatGPT to do that for me, okay, I'm gonna wait for a few moments, right? And what I'm gonna do, eventually, I'm gonna just copy that code and insert it to draw.io. All right, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.